morning. Yeah. Lots of things lately. I had to do my chores. My mom said I was a bad boy this weekend. My mom's out at the grocery store right now, so you can't really see her but she's a grouchy one. But anyways, this is Kibble's Adventure Part 5, and apparently the future God is going to show me something special.
Hello, I am Blueberry, the future God, and you will see everything that I will tell him.
Oh no, I better go save him. Hang on a second.
Where's Kibbles?
Luckily I saved you, future God Blueberry.
Yes, I will tell you something. There is a weakness that will come soon. That vegetable oil will take over my place. So, Kibbles, I need you to stop him. I must be off then.
I wonder what vegetable oil is. Hang on. Hello. It's me, Kibbles. As we were. So where is that vegetable oil? Well, vegetable oil, I'll take you down in no time. It's the Vegetable Kibbles Showdown. Vegetable oil, Kibbles Showdown. Let's go. Hi-ya! Take that. Well, looks like a good day for Kibble's Adventures. Well, bye-bye then.